Oh yeah, come. Come have a seat. Come. You need to stop beating yourself up. Manny, stop crying.
I'm not.
See, I'm so sorry. I know you're trying your best to make sure that Tana overcomes this illness. But trust me, a case of dementia is not uncommon. But it's just very rare to have it come by in young adults. All she needs is constant and continuous love to keep her in the right state of mind. Most cases have been due to damage in blood vessels that causes break in flow or seizure. So like I said, all that Tana needs is intensive care, love and affection. I believe you. Trust me, she'll be fine. We're all here for her. Come. You need to stop crying.
Thank you so much, Nancy.
What will I do without you?
Thank you so much.
It's alright. She needs to rest.
I'm trying my best.
Call me when you need me.
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you, Nancy.
Dementia.
Kingsley, you know, she can hardly do anything alone without someone being around her. It's always a case of decline in her reasoning, challenges with communication and behavior. Many times, you know, she has become much more restless and so disorganized. I just can't imagine.
Man, I need you to calm down, okay? Just calm down.
It's just so tiring how everything has been.
What's that?
She's my only sister, and I love her so much. Despite the fact that this whole thing has affected me, it has affected my life, I'm still willing to sacrifice myself. I mean, my career, my future. If only, Kingsley, if only she could continue her education. Tana has been a very bright kid. We all knew she was intelligent. We all knew she was going to be great. I'm so sure that wherever my mom and my dad are right now, they're heartbroken.
Mommy, it's alright. Don't panic. I'm very sure everything will be okay.
Sorry. What have you been doing? Why are you still dressed like this? Why are you using the apron? Don't you know we are going to get groceries? Where is the grocery bag? We don't use that. Go and take this thing off. Okay. Come back here. Is Tana well taken care of?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
What about all the things I'm taking to work?
You don't inside the room downstairs, ma'am.
Go and take this thing off. And get here immediately and get the grocery bag as well.
Okay, ma'am. I don't.
Come on, put this thing inside. Why are you shaking like a jellyfish? Put it down. Come back to meet it.
Sorry, madam.
Hey, you! Come here. Are you feeling alright? Tana! Come on.
bills. Million bills. Have it. Come on, you're a big girl. Bring it. Now, yeah.
Ada, Dr. Nurse. Welcome. Thank you. My darling. My darling. How are you, my love? See you. Kingsley, what are you doing here?
Mommy, please calm down. He only came by at the hospital to help bring Tana home. That's it.
Help bring Tana home? Who was the cause of your predicament in the first place? It is not your fault. I blame myself for entrusting your sister in your care.
Tana,
I thought you loved me. I thought you loved me and loved everything around me. You know everything. Kingsley, look at me. Look up. Take a look at this. Take a look at this, Kingsley. I found this that day. Your stupidity and addiction didn't let you pay attention to this. Leave my house. Get out of my house.